Hey guys, Marty's the Gathering Place here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. We're doing part 3 of the series. If you guys didn't see the other videos, go check them out. I'm at my local LGS, new sponsor of the channel, Cathleo, Cards Leo. We're doing box 3. Wilds of an Eldraine collector booster. A lot of good cards in here. So far, only opened 2 boxes of this, 1 draft and 1 set booster. There's a lot of good cards. The special slot with those itch admin can get a lot of good cards. So we got the token front. Balluna Grand Squall. Aggravated Assault. That's a good card. I'll put this here. Poland Shield Hair. Kordov Gleeful Gluten. Mosswood Dread Knight. Uncommon. Land. Uncommons, and your commons. These ones open a lot better. You guys didn't see on the last video, I was really struggling. Oh. Is that a confetti? Or that's just a foil? That's really nice. Oppression. Restless Cottage. Mooncraft Prawn. Moonshaker Cavalry. That's the second most expensive card, mythic from the set. Foil hand. Archon of the Wild Rose. Fairy Anticipation. Devouring Sugar Maw. Sear Ginger the Mulander. And Charming Scoundrel. Commons. And Food Token. Pollen Shield Hair. Sanguine Bond. That's a good hit. Wilson of Peace. Unfinished Business. The Erin Crag. Here we go. Go. So we have Rest in Peace, Blood Moon. Oh wow, that one's nice. Twinning Twins, Court of Ventress, Were Fox Spot Yard, Then we have our uncommons and commons. We're doing good so far from what I'm seeing. Elvish Archivist, Leyline of Anticipation, Mosswood Red Knight, Thunderous Debut, Bramble Familiar, uncommons, more uncommons, and commons. Down to our last 6 packs. Token, Thunderous Debut, Blind Obedience, A Virtue of Knowledge, Court of Garenbrig, Questing Druid, 2 uncommons, and commons. Sanguine Bond, Polluted Bonds, combo, Restless Fire, Yena Resolute Regent, Restless Mind Talk, there we go. Tell me what you guys pulled, or if you guys pulled any confetti foil. These are the big hits of this set. They look awesome. Lord Skidder Super King, Shared Animosity, Bramble Familiar, Extraordinary Journey, Twinning Twins, Gorgeous Lands, 3 packs left. Questing Druid, Leyline of the Void, Gumdrop Poisoner, Blightwing Bandit, Espel Interloper, last 2 packs. Token, Extraordinary Journey, Goblin Bombardment, Hornwatch Whale, Feral Encounter, Gumdrop Poisoner, common, and last pack. So let's see if we have a big hit in here. Food token. Blind Obedience. Ooh, Grave Pack. Nice. That's a nice hit. Wow. Balluna Grand Squall. Sleek Curse Fairy. Spectre of Mortality. And that's it. Guys, hope you liked the video. Leave me a like, a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Well, that's it, guys. Until we see each other again. Peace. Forge for fire!